Jumeirah Islands Mansions, have I got a fabulous waterfront mansion for you today. Just check this out. Let's turn around the camera. So welcome to this mansion on the water, no less. And this is the entrance. Let's take you through the entrance. This is a 5-bedroom mansion, 1 bedroom downstairs, 4 bedrooms upstairs with a superb view. I'm going to take you out to that view in just 1 minute, but it's an enormous villa. You'll have all the details in the description below of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is a mansion that you can come in, move in immediately, or of course if you want to, some of you will come in and fully renovate to your own style, whatever you want. So bedroom number 1 is right here at the front entrance. It is ensuite. All bedrooms are ensuite. So there we have your ensuite shower and lovely large spaces. Now these are old mansions, they're old villas, so they were built on much larger plots and they're much larger built-ups than a lot of the newer off-plan villas of today. And as you know, new and off-plan properties, although not ready for 3-4 years and they help you with your cash flow, are much smaller plots and much smaller built-up areas. So, you know, the original larger homes like in Jumeirah Islands really give you a lot of value for money. So, see, check this out. You walk from that living area into the main central atrium and looking straight out at the pool, and the water will go out to that in a minute. And just look at the space, you know, lots of space here that you could completely change and renovate. I would be changing those stairs, making them glass for sure, and chrome. And you've got that sort of area there which had a water feature, but you could do something a lot different. I would probably knock down the walls as well. So much to do here. This is the main guest toilet, powder room, so in there as well. So you've got 2 sinks. And right, let's carry on walking through. So you've got 2 kitchens. Again, I would knock this kitchen down. I'd fully change this kitchen. So you've got an island here, and then this is what we call the dirty kitchen, where all the major pungent smell and cooking is done. And you've also got a storage room in there, your pantry, your larder, what have you. So let's just check out what's around here. So there's great space here on the kitchen. It could be a really nice family living area. I would knock out all of that to make it glass, to look out over onto the swimming pool, gardens and waterfront. So what I just want to show you in here before we head on upstairs is you have a separate door and a separate area upstairs, mezzanine, for the maids and the driver's room. So their rooms are upstairs with bathrooms as well. And what I also love here is you have a triple garage. So that's for 3 cars, or what you can do, where some people have also done it, is they potentially even put in a wine cellar here as well, or a bit of a games room because it's that large. So again, you do what you want. You can get out to the side of the house here and down through the garden here to the front. So there we have it. That is your kitchen area. This door, I mean, this design just surprises me. But anyway, that is literally out to your main garden, which is just beautiful, looking over the waterfront here. So just check it out, your swimming pool, and really nice views. You've got a bar here. Can you imagine the parties and the entertaining that you can do in this mansion? Here we have it. This is your swimming pool. And just to give you an idea of prices as well, so you'll see the price in the bottom of this video, but a mansion similar to this in December, just over the back here, sold 29.275 million, and it was a larger built-up area, slightly less of a waterfront view, still a partial waterfront view. So that sold at just under 30 million dirham. We've also got potentially the owner behind us at the back, so that's more of a road view, that wants 30 million dirham. So quite frankly, I think this is an absolute bargain, and I would definitely be buying this and changing a lot inside, as I've already mentioned to you, putting out a lot more windows, changing all these windows, and just really making the most of the garden views and the light, which they haven't done to date. So let's go upstairs and you'll be able to get an idea of what we've got up here. Potential. So, okay, so if we just turn around and get more of an idea of the space. Here we come upstairs, gorgeous, so nice and light. And upstairs we've got 4 bedrooms and a family living area as well, and an enormous terrace and a balcony. So we'll come to that in a minute. So here's one of the bedrooms. I mean, look how large this is. Gorgeous views straight out over the water, really nice. And you've got a large, I mean, this is enormous, so nice and spacious, lovely large dressing area. This is your master bedroom and master bathroom, beautiful jacuzzi, no less. His and hers sinks, showers. Personally, I'll be pulling all of this out, make it a bit different, but there you go. Lots of potential there. And then more cupboards. So another bedroom upstairs is here. And got walk-in and a shower and a toilet in there. Those are your views from this bedroom. We've got 2 more bedrooms, and then we will go and check out the view there. So you've got a little upstairs sink area, and you've got 2 more bedrooms here. All nice spaces. Really nice, quiet, leafy suburb as well, but you're just minutes from the Sheikh Zayed Road, minutes from Jumeirah Lake Towers, which is the new uptown area. You've got a little like balcony there and a bathroom here as well, and a dressing area. And finally, 1 more bedroom, more cupboards there. Here's your last bedroom. Again, a great space, ensuite bathroom and cupboards with this terrace. I will take you out to this terrace now because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So if you want some details, if you'd like to come and see this property, if you're an investor or you're a developer, this is a hot part of the city because Jumeirah Islands literally sits right behind Jumeirah Lakes Towers, and that's where the DMCC is. It's also where the new uptown and all the new they're doing like a secondary DIFC. But just check out, this is your view. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? It does not really get... If you're looking for a villa like this, you are wanting a home forever, and you wanted the best views, then really it's Jumeirah Islands. Palm Jumeirah owners have recognised the value of waterfront. They've already made a fortune on the Palm. They're coming here. We've now sold out of Palm Jebel Ali villas, so there's a lot of shortage of waterfront homes, no less. So check out more details below in the description. Click on the link to get in touch with me, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. I've also done other videos here. I've done a drive-through of Jumeirah Islands, so you can check out how it looks in the suburbs, and a walking tour as well. So put in the search on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.